from Los Angeles. Dr. Will Kirby is joining us. You may remember him from The Young and the Restless, from the winner of Big Brother in 2001. He is also a dermatologist and a brand new father as of 6 weeks ago. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Oh, the pleasure's all mine. Thanks for having me. And it's funny you bring up the baby because that's actually a really good segue into when we talk about skincare.
Great.
And the reason is an adult skincare normal health cycle of skin turnover is about 35 to 57 days. But if you look at a brand new baby, their skin is so soft, it's so smooth, it's wrinkle-free, and the reason is their skin turns over much faster. And that's really what you want to achieve with a new skincare regime, is increasing that surface cell turnover.
Terrific. Well, let's talk about this serum then, why you believe it to be so spectacular.
Well, first of all, let me preface this by saying this is from Neutrogena Dermatologics.
Yes.
And that's very important because Neutrogena is a brand we know and trust. They have a long, really impressive lineage, impressive history. This is their specialized professional division. What that means is it really focuses on that unique partnership between dermatologists and scientists. They bonded together to create products for the most discriminating consumer. And that's exactly what they came up with, which is Retinol NX Concentrated Retinol Serum. Stabilized, and it's also has another ingredient which we'll talk about, but it's a phenomenal product. Anyone who's concerned about the aging process.
Well, I think we all are, it's safe to say. What does retinol do? What is it designed to do?
I think that's so important, and I really can't emphasize this enough. And I'm really going to try to get in deep on it, and we'll go through it a couple times. But what does retinol do? It increases that surface cell turnover. It takes your skin that has lost the luster. It's dull. It's lost that beautiful hue. It's lost its satin, shiny appearance, and it's made it you're dull over time. What it does, increases surface cell turnover, so you get that baby-like skin. But the thing about retinol is not all retinol is created equal. This retinol is very special because it's stabilized. In the retinol world, you get what you pay for. Stabilized retinol is so unique and so rare, and the Neutrogena Dermatologics team put together this technology, 17 different patents on the stabilization process. It is stabilized from the way it's created in the factory to the way it's packaged to the way it's shipped. Everything about it is stabilized, and as a result, the strength that you get on day 1 is the same strength you get on day 60. So you get stabilized, compliant retinol over a long period of time.
So are you saying this is a 2-month supply?
This is a 2-month supply, 60 meter doses in there, and a pearl-sized amount will cover your entire face. Superior anti-aging benefits is the phrase I associate with this product.
Very nice. And when do we apply this? I mean, I know, but let's explain it to our
viewers.
Well,
it's so simple. That pearl-sized amount, if you're going to show it here, that's a pearl-sized amount. That's enough to cover your entire face every single night.
Excellent.
I use it at night. That's the way I like to use it. If you'd like to, you can use it during the day as long as you're using it with a broad spectrum sunscreen.
Okay. Yeah, let's talk about that because you, who probably has access to many of the finest skincares in the world,
I'd like to think so, yeah.
Always say that retinol and a fine sunscreen are two great places to start.
Well, that's almost not enough emphasis. Those are the places that you have to start with.
The places to
and
start.
I tell people the word doctor is derived from the word doctorate, which means to teach. And that's what I am first and foremost as a teacher. I really like to inform patients and provide them with knowledge so that they can start with a good skincare regime. People come to my office in Beverly Hills all the time. They bring in a bag of different products. And I tell them, clear out the medicine cabinet, emotionally and physically clean all those things out. Let's discuss things that actually physically work. 1, you have to wear sunscreen every single day, broad spectrum with Helioplex. 2, you have to use a stabilized retinol once a day at least. I use it at night. You can use it during the day if you need to, but the foundation to the house we're trying to build are those 2 products, the two most important things that you could do for your skincare.
Fantastic. Thank you for that. Okay, well, we're here with Dr. Will Kirby today, and phone lines are open. If you have tried this product, what has it done for you? And it is $75 for a 2-month supply. Just a little bit does go a long way. It is called the Retinol NX Serum. We're going to throw up some animation, and perhaps you could walk our viewers through.
Yeah, I'd really like to. I think this animation is so useful. When we talk about what causes wrinkles, well, wrinkles are caused by decreased cell turnover. What this product does is it enters the skin cell surface, increases that surface cell turnover, and what does that do for you? It gives you improved appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Helps diminish the look of the aging process. Now, you can see those results very quickly. After just 1 use, this is just using it 1 time, you get a lifted appearance in as fast as 2 minutes.
Oh my goodness.
But you get exceptional hydration, and that lasts up to 24 hours.
That is fantastic. See, that's one of the things that I've noticed about my skin because I have always been quite dehydrated. And the clinicals are great. The
clinicals are really impressive. After 4 weeks, 97% of users, nearly everyone in the study, showed improvement in the appearance of crow's feet and fine lines. 89% showed improvement of stubborn forehead wrinkles. So nearly everyone in the study, and this is a study done by dermatologists. This is a clinical study. The study continued, and at 8 weeks, 70% showed improvement in the appearance of stubborn under eye wrinkles. So when you talk about under eye wrinkles, you talk about crow's feet, you talk about those stubborn forehead lines, this is a product that works on all the signs of aging on the adult face that we're concerned about.
And you are a board-certified dermatologist.
Correct.
Okay. And we are offering this to you today on a 4-month payment plan. So we invite you to shop with us. Item number again is 430435. It also smells good. I mean, it's fragrance-free, but it does have a nice... There's something there that just is kind of yummy about it.
I call it clean and crisp. That's the way I describe it. It smells. I mean, it's very, very flattering. It's not much of a fragrance at all. Very, very minimal. But if you notice, it has a really nice fragrance to it. Part of the reason it has that is because it's not just the stabilized retinol technology. It's actually the marriage of 2 proprietary ingredients.
Okay.
One is that stabilized retinol technology, and the other one is an ingredient called Tetrol E.
Okay.
What does Tetrol E do? Firms, tightens, lifts, restores elasticity. And that's when you see those results within the first 24 hours. That's really due to the Tetrol E. But one of the reasons this product is so well tolerated is because of the formulation itself is so unique, so proprietary. It's the marriage of that Tetrol E and that retinol that really make this beautiful product.
You know, there are so many skincares out there. I mean, I'm sure you've seen them all. Many of us have tried so many of them, haven't we? It's a billion-dollar industry, and so much of it is wasted our money because it doesn't deliver any results. I would assume that, you know, an ingredient that you've heard of throughout the years is in a lot of skincare. Is that not the case?
The stabilized, the retinol is?
Yes.
Yeah, the thing about retinol, I'm sure you've heard about it out there if you're one of those people who's pretty educated about skincare regimes. Retinol is really well established. In fact, more than 2,800 publications have really recognized retinol as the gold standard anti-aging product.
Okay.
However, retinols are not created equal, and there's a huge discrepancy in the quality of retinols out there. There's retinol palmitate, there's unstabilized retinols, lots of different types of retinols. So certain manufacturers can create retinols and meet a claim that they have retinol in the product, but if it's not stabilized retinol technology, then you're not getting efficacious results. And that's why people have said to me in the past, oh, I used retinol and I didn't tolerate it, or it didn't do anything for me, or it was too irritating. That was because the retinol you used was probably not stabilized.
Okay.
So this retinol also has antioxidants in it that helps you tolerate it a whole lot better, but it also has that Tetrol E. And we talked about how it's created, how the research and development team at Neutrogena Dermatologics put it in a formulation so that it is very easy to use, very tolerable, makes it very makes your compliance level really high so that you get those efficacious results.
So you would apply this on your skin maybe before you go to bed. I just happen to apply it either in the morning or in the evening after cleansing. And then you follow with your other skincare. It's important that this goes on first then.
That is correct. You can use it if you're not using any products at all. Sunscreen and a stabilized retinol is imperative. If you're using other products and you have a regime you like, wonderful. The thing is, this should come in contact with your skin first because it is a treatment. It's not a cover-up. It's not a moisturizer. It's a skin treatment. So it's the first thing that I like to come in contact with the skin so that you're getting really great results with it.
Thank you. Dr. Will Kirby joining us today with Neutrogena Dermatologics. This is the Retinol NX Serum. Everybody, it's a 2-month supply. It is available for you today at $75. You can even spread your payments out if you like, 4 payments of $18.75. Your item number is 430435. Our toll-free number is on screen there. It's 1-888-2020-888. For our viewers who are just tuning in, let's discuss again what retinol can do for you and why it is such an important ingredient.
Sure, I'd be happy to. Retinol increases surface cell turnover, and the reason that's so incredibly important is that slow surface cell turnover that occurs as we age really gives us the deleterious look of aging skin. It gives us those fine lines, it gives us the wrinkles, it diminishes the tone and the texture. And what we like to see here is increased surface cell turnover, so the appearance of those fine lines, the appearance of those wrinkles can improve. So stabilized retinol technology in one single sentence provides superior anti-aging results. That's what this product does. So many people they'll jump on the new trends in terms of fashion and jewelry and makeup, yet they won't do the most important thing, which is take care of the quality of their skin. And that's where stabilized retinol comes in.
Well, if this increases cell turnover, doesn't, say, a good exfoliator do the same thing?
Well, the problem with exfoliation processes is that they're not uniform in the way that they destroy skin cells. We like the skin cells to come off naturally. That's where the retinol, I mean, keep in mind, what is pure retinol? Pure stabilized retinol is a pure stabilized form of vitamin A. And so it's a very natural process.